Another flipping truck repair? Are you kidding me?
Come over here and perform for me. I'm on it. Give me the.
Baby boy, stay on my mind.
Just give me the light. I'm on it. Give me the. You know, realize I am the DJ, so me take up the mic and then say, just give me the light and pass the joe. Make you feel like you're in control. Yeah, let me know my sides and I got to know which one is gonna catch my flow. Cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. Make you feel like I'm in and go. Yeah, I'm looking hype and I got to know. The trumpets blow.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? And I better shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca.
Alright, y'all, we are only 1 mile away from Fleet Services here in Oklahoma City. They are on Reno Avenue. I called them. They said they can get me right in, so I'm on my way there. I don't know if y'all can hear this humming. I'll go pull up the lights. Coming from my dash, when I'm on the brakes, I'm steadily losing air. I know it's not the trailer. It's definitely on the tractor because it was starting to do that yesterday after I left the TA. So, yeah, we're on our way there. We are going to freaking get this done. I mean, I could have gone to the TA Petro, but try to get points, for it. But how long would I sit there and wait? I mean, I could possibly sit there for, 5 or 6 hours before they can get to me. Here they said they can get right to me. And they're actually just on the other side over here. Actually, it looks like that's the building, the gray building right over here. Looks like there's a white truck in front of it, if that's the place. I don't know for sure, but it could be. But yeah, we're gonna get this in. Hopefully we have a great experience with them. Like I said, I called and spoke with them. I definitely want to get this done. Because with it leaking air like that, I definitely do not want to take a chance on going to a freaking weigh station and turn around and have them say, yo, guess what, brother? You got a major air leak when you're on the brakes. No, you're getting put out of service. So we're not going to have no out of service deal here. We are going to get this done. Like I say, we'll come here. And y'all, like I say, use the technology available. Google Maps, things like that. Check your stuff out, because I looked and I saw this place on Google Maps. And where it's at, there's a U-turn. I would have to hang a U-turn to freaking get to it, and then turn right into their driveway. So luckily I looked and I saw how I could get off the exit, take the service road down a little bit, and then turn around and come into it from this way. Save yourself that aggravation. I mean, look at the satellite images. Hey, that's what they're there for. Get an idea and a layout of what you're going to be going into. I mean, don't go in blind, and that's what I did. Hey, I looked, I saw, yeah, I knew what was going to happen. I saw it. So, yes, that is what you do, y'all. But yeah, it should be right up here on the right. Somewhere around here, Fleet Services. I know it was right past a U-turn thingy. There it is, right there with the green sign and with like the Mathis Brothers truck. So that was it with the green building. Okay. You see this U-turn right here? That's what I would have to have done. I would have had to hang a U-turn right here and then be able to pull in this gate right here. So that's why I say, y'all, look at your stuff. I saw that. I looked ahead. I'm like, no, that is not friendly. So the guy told me to come in here and check in with Connie. So I'm going to come in here and check in with Connie, and we'll be back, y'all. All right, everybody. Here y'all go. Connie with Fleet Services here. And let me get the phone number here. There we go. Here in Oklahoma City, y'all, they are the bomb. We got me fixed, we got me rolling. Y'all will be surprised. It was a freaking airline that was loose, because on my front airlines, they come through the frame and attach to a fitting that runs through the frame. That's what it was. It was a freaking airline that was loose, which happened to be on the same side the guy was working on my truck yesterday at TA. So yeah, so that pretty much sucks. But yes, we are fixed, we are rolling. They didn't even charge me for it, because he come out literally 2 seconds. As soon as we popped the hood, I hit the brakes. He's like, oh, got it. He went in there, come out, got a crescent wrench, came back out, bam, tightened it just like that, done. Wasn't a service order on it. He's like, they're like, is this even worth writing up? He's like, doesn't matter to me none. He's like, I wouldn't. So, because yeah, like I say, it didn't take him any time at all. Literally, he came out, gave it one good full turn with a freaking crescent wrench, and it was done. So yes, this place is absolutely good. Connie is a very sweet, lovely lady in here working at the office here. They got a location here and down there in freaking Dallas, Texas. Very freaking nice people here. George works in the shop back there. Very quick, good to go, y'all. Hey, like I say, they got me in, they got me out, didn't charge me. Like I say, of course, it was very simple. So, you know, I understand, you know, I'm not charging. I'm thankful after the week I've had with repairs. I am more than thankful that they didn't freaking charge me, y'all. But yes, y'all, we are good. We are freaking to roll out. Wait for this traffic, and then I will get my butt back to the road, and we will holler at y'all later. Peace out.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this.